Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Hello and welcome to another market update after the market closed on 27th of July 2018. Here's where we look at the overall market conditions, short term and long term. Short term for your trades, so we're aligned with it. It's very important to be aligned with all trends really, because that affects things more than you can realize. And a long-term trend for your pension and all the big investments like that, all your nest eggs, everything's affected by the stock market. So here's S&P 500 then over the last few years. You see along the bottom here, each up and down is a week of action, and that's smoothed out for us by these averages here. They're like a moving average as we go along, and that's for over the last 10 weeks, the blue one. And the big one is, the important one, is the long-term 40-week moving average. My proprietary indicator gave this as a bull market 7th November 2016, and it has not yet said anything otherwise. It's been a bull market ever since, despite this little route right here which we stuck to our guns with, which has paid off in the end, because the market has just steadily got itself out of the quagmire, and it's been another up week for the market here. So it's still very much a bull market for the long term. Let's look at the short term, and here's where we can see the close up a bit. Had a good few days where last bit of pocket of resistance really is this big peak here that happened back in January, and it was a ridiculous blow off really. But there's still going to be some people who bought at the top and they're waiting to unload their positions. Once this can break clear of that level there and get out to a new high, which the last high was 2872 on the S&P 500, once we close above that, there'll be no more. There should be no more stopping it. Going to higher ground. I mean, corrections are always, of course, a factor, but we're healthily above the 40-week line now. I think the main thing the market has to do this week is stay above this area here around 280-ish, 2780, and keep sort of grinding higher from there. So short-term trend, it's kind of pointed down, but with some buying came in on Friday, so we're going to say it's cautiously upwards still as the short-term trend. So I will speak to you next time.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com, where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.